Head Electrical Engineering Department, NIT Kurukshetra. I am also looking towards School of Biomedical Engineering in the institute. So, due to this corona pandemic, there is a shortage of ventilators in the whole world. So, we have devised a prototype of a low-cost ventilator, which is costing only rupees 3,500, less than $50 US. So we have filed in provisional patent application in patent office, Delhi, in the name of NIT Kurukshetra, and I will show you what it consists of. So it consists of an ambu bag, which is to be pressed mechanically or manually, normally. So any corona patient requires artificial breathing, and there are mainly two things which are to be controlled, and this ventilator controls both the things. That is number of breath per minute, and second, amount of or volume of oxygen or air to be injected into the lungs per breath. So this ambu bag is in this ventilator. This ambu bag is pressed by a crankshaft mechanism. This crankshaft mechanism, which is connected to the disc, and there are holes on the disc, as you see here. So if I move this connection to the periphery of the disc, the volume of oxygen or air will be more. If I move this connection towards the center of the disc, the volume of air will be less. So the second parameter, the number of breaths per minute, are controlled by the speed of rotation of the disc, so which is done by a motor connected at the back of the disc, and it is being controlled by a controller. So we are also having a battery backup. So in case we are shifting the patient from one ward to another ward and there is no way, there is no power supply on the way, so this is very useful and is a must. Moreover, if power supply goes off, even then it can work. So that is the advantage of this ventilator. So, and all this including battery backup, and it also has a charger. When the power supply will restore, it will charge the battery. So all this battery cost, along with charger cost, along with controller, everything that is can be purchased, or it can be made in just 3,500 rupees. So I will show you how it works. So presently it is working on power supply. I will remove the power supply connection and show you that it will go back on battery. So we can control the number of breaths per minute. The doctor is the best judge. By his experience, he can control this depending upon the patient. So in case some patient requires more breath per minute, so this can be increased. This can be increased. And if so it is all as per the doctor experience. So in case I remove the power supply connection, I can show you that it is still working. So if I restore it back, then again it will charge the battery. So we want manufacturers, just to serve the world, we want manufacturers who are ready to work on no profit, no loss basis. They come forward so that the cost of the ventilator may not increase when it reaches the patient, because the whatever cost is there, that some amount of that is going to be paid by the patient in some manner or the other, or it will cost the government. So it is better if you can keep the cost less. This prototype is just a part of the specifications which are there in the provisional application. Actually, there are much more features in the patent application. That is the closed loop control. This is of course the open loop control at present. Even so, the closed loop control we can have some sensors connected with the body of the patient, and as per the sensors input, the number of breaths per minute can be controlled. So automatically. So that is the advantage, and this patent application is having. So any manufacturer who comes forward can make different models out of this. So this what we are showing is just a basic model. Many more models can be created out of this, and they need to be verified by or checked by the medical authorities. So in case you want to contact me, you can contact me on my email ID lmseni@nitkr.ac.in, and my phone number is just below this. I thank you. Welcome.